Let's eat. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cooking Incognito. Today, I'm going to be making an easy recipe, candied yams in a crock pot. The ingredients we're going to need are 2 large yams. We're going to need some vanilla, some cinnamon, some nutmeg, an orange, 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to need some marshmallows, and we're going to need some sugar in the raw. So let's get started. Alrighty, so first things first, we're going to chop up these yummy sweet potatoes. You can chop them up any way you would like. You can do disc, you can do cubes, it's just up to you. I'm going to go ahead and chop up these potatoes and we're going to move on to the next step. You're going to tell that I struggled a little bit. Be sure to butter the sides and the bottom of your crock pot before we get started. Alright, we're going to add in our final cubes of potatoes into our crock pot, and we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, first we're going to start with our sugar. Now, if you do not want your yams really sweet, then only use a half a cup of the raw cane sugar. But if you want it to be sweet as candy, go ahead and do 1 cup. We're going to put in 1 cup of water. Go ahead and add in your 4 tablespoons of butter. Next up is our 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we're going to move on to peeling an orange peel. We're not going to do the whole orange, just, a long enough piece. And that's going to just give our yams more flavor. It's going to be just bursting in your mouth. It's going to give it like a little citrusy flavor as well. Had to move on to a knife because that peeler was just not my friend. So the knife worked perfectly. Alright, now we're going to add in that orange peel and we're going to make sure we get it in there really well. We're going to put the top on our crock pot. We're going to set our yams on high and we're going to cook them for about 3 hours, and we're going to stir and check them every hour. Now it's time for the marshmallows. Go ahead and just pour your marshmallows on top of your yams. Alright, now we're going to put the lid back on our crock pot, and we're going to put our crock pot on low for about 5 to 8 minutes. Look at those melted marshmallows. So delicious. Guys, this smells so good. We're going to go ahead and take a scoop of this yummy, delicious yams, and we're going to put them in our bowl, and we're just going to enjoy. Now, this is a side dish that you can make for Thanksgiving or for Christmas. It is a big favorite at Thanksgiving and Christmas for my family. Enjoy, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving.